My name is Marcel Landau and I am the chairman of the IOE Foundation and also vice chairman of the Institute of Export and International Trade. The IOE Foundation was formed just over a year ago, and it's all about trying to get young people leaving school or just starting at work to get involved in the wonderful world of international trading. And that's really what our overall mission is. So we try to get to young people aged between 16 and 25, that's our charitable aim. And we hope that we can bring people into what we need as a country, which is more people involved in international trading. You will find us embedded on the main IOE site, but you can also get to us by info@ioefoundation.uk. We've got two opportunities.